Hey guys, I just did my Cricut roller replacement on my Maker, and I wanted to show a little difference that I ran into that maybe others will also. So after watching the videos on YouTube, it works exactly as they suggested. However, in this one little spot, I had to file this opening just a little bit to let the roller slide through to get it out. Once I did that, it took only about 10 seconds of filing with a hand file. That roller slid out, came out, worked perfectly. Put my new rollers on, back together. Just wanted to point that part out. I'm sure that there's manufacturing differences in the different batches, stamped metal when they build them. And then also the other point was that when motors apart, on the other side you take the motor off. These little wheels here are how the Cricut knows where everything's positioned. I would suggest being very careful around those. Otherwise, it won't be able to register movements like it needs to be. Other than it's not a hard process. Follow the other videos and get your Cricut running top notch again. These little rollers, the original rollers, they just degrade over time. This one is swollen, and when they get that way, they start wanting to run up and down the rod, and they'll tear up they'll get your mat out of position, and your vinyl crooked. It's a mess. But the new rollers are about to be tested. Y'all have a good one. One other thing I forgot to mention, when I had to take this top plate out, you can maybe see that cracked line in there. That glue is so strong I could not separate it, and the plastic broke, but it's only glued on the very corners. Not a big deal. The other thing I suggest is, unless you empty this tray of its contents, tape that hole up so that the little pieces that might be in there won't fall out. Y'all have a good one.